Hi friends, consider the following scenario. We have already created a chart with a data set and now we need to add additional data both to data set and chart. Wouldn't it be great if every time we add new data, the chart would reflect the changes in the data set in real time? Hello everyone, welcome to IMIND.Training. I am Sam Parulekar. And today I would demonstrate how to expand chart data range in Microsoft Excel. So here I am having some data for which I want to create a chart. So I would click anywhere inside the data and then I would click on Insert, and in Insert I would select Chart, and in Chart I would select the clustered column chart. So my graph is ready. However, if I add some new data into the chart, example, I am adding over here the data for a person whose name is Leo and whose salary is 22,000. You can see the changes are not reflected in the graph. So in order for reflecting the changes into the graph, using the sizing method, I would first click on the chart and now you can see the data range for my chart. So I would click on this sizing handle and I would drag it down and you can see the changes are now reflected into the chart. Now let me show you the second method for expanding the data into the chart. So here you can see, again I am having a sample data and again I click anywhere inside the chart and then I click on Insert and make a simple 2D clustered chart. Now I want to add some new data, so I add new data. Over here I am typing Leo and the salary is 22,000. You can see the changes are not reflected. In order to make the changes reflect in the chart, using the second technique, I would click on the chart and then I would right click on the chart and over here I would select Data. Now in Select Data, in the first column I would click on Edit. Now here it is showing me the series name over here as salary and then it is showing me the series value. So I would highlight the series values and I would delete it. And then I would add the new data. You can see the new data is reflected in the background. I would click on OK. However, you can see the name has not come here. So for that, I would click on Edit and then it is asking me to select the range. So I would highlight the new range and you can see the name is reflected. And then I would click on OK and again I would click on OK. This was using the second technique of selecting data. And now let me show you the last way. So I click on the data anywhere inside it and then I click on Insert and I make a chart. Now my chart is ready and I add some new data. But if I add the new data, it would not get reflected. So what I'll do over here, I'll convert this range into a table. In order to convert this range into a table, you can click anywhere inside the table and click on Insert and select Table. It would automatically highlight the entire table and then I would click on OK. Now let us add some new data. So I add new data, I add Leo and I add 22,000 and the changes are reflected within the chart automatic. So friends, we have seen 3 techniques of how you can expand data in real time in a chart in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.